Hey guys, it's Kelly from Pink Lemonade Company. I wanted to talk to you today about where to save your graphics so you're not cluttering up your computer hard drive. Jennifer in the group had this question, and I know a lot of other people are bound to have this question too, so I thought I would make a video on it. So when we have graphics, usually they're like high resolution graphics, especially those files are digital papers or PDFs, like they can really take up our computer hard drive really quickly. So I always save mine to two places in addition to my computer hard drive. And one of those reasons is because in case my laptop crashes or whatever, I always want to have a place where I can safe keep, like put them in the vault or whatever, just to hang on to them, because we do make an investment with those graphics and when we're spending that money, so we definitely need to protect that investment. So one way I do that is through an external hard drive, and this is mine right here. And it's super easy. You just plug it into your laptop or your PC or your Mac, whatever you're using through the USB drive. And then it opens up and you can just transfer easily, like just drag and drop your graphic files or whatever files you want to save. And so another way I do this, my second method of backup, is to put them in Dropbox. So let me show you that right quick. Okay, so ignore my full desktop, like I always have stuff going on over here. So right here I have this Dropbox shortcut. And so when I click that, I can pull up everything that's in my Dropbox. And so if I wanted to save anything, like just for instance, like this picture over here, like I could just drag and drop over there and then it's going to be saved into my Dropbox. You can also access Dropbox if you go to the actual website and then you just sign up if you don't have an account. They have like a basic free account, and I think I only pay like $10 a month because it's like 2 terabytes of space, which is a lot. So that's just another way. And the great thing about that also is that whenever you have Dropbox, you can also put the Dropbox app on your phone. And so sometimes if I'm not at my computer but I just want to use a graphic or create something, throw it on Instagram or whatever, like I just go into my Dropbox. So all my graphics are there as well. So it's an easy way to transport from your desktop or your laptop over to your phone. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know below. And if you are ready to, I know a lot of people in here are ready to start their creative biz, or they're really wanting to amp it up and go bigger. So make sure that you sign up for the free training, How to Grow a Creative Biz. The link is in the description. So I hope to see you there. Again, if you have any questions, let me know, and have a great day.